With the NFT craze taking over the world, we have brought to you the top 5 NFT marketplaces where digital assets can be bought or sold most simplistically. Today we have brought you our list of top 5 NFT marketplaces, so stick around and watch this video till the end. To help you save time and navigate through this video, we have created a timeline. Feel free to jump around to any section that interests you. I would suggest watching the complete video for the first time. Now let's get started. Now, assuming that you already know what NFTs are and what they offer in terms of digital ownership, let's start with our list of top 5 NFT marketplaces. First is OpenSea, is a decentralized platform for buying and selling digital goods. It includes collectibles, in-game items, digital art, music, domain names, and other forms of digital assets that are developed on a blockchain such as Ethereum. Not only this, but OpenSea is also a digital asset aggregator and includes digital assets available on other marketplaces. It is one of the largest NFT marketplaces with an average 7-day trade volume of approximately $800 million. OpenSea was founded in New York City in 2017 by Devin Finzel and Alex Attila, and has been a pioneer in the NFT space since then. Not only this, but the platform has also been backed up by many popular angel investors, such as Mark Cuban, Tim Ferriss, and many more. For trading, OpenSea uses smart contract. This means that no central authority can ever have custody of your digital items. Instead, users store items in their wallet of choice, whether that's a mobile wallet like Coinbase Wallet, or Opera Touch, or an in-browser Chrome extension like MetaMask. This offers transparency, security, and provides better recognition for the creator's work. Thanks to the immutability of the trade, advantages of using OpenSea include enabling the NFT creator, say a digital artist, to receive royalties in proportion to the value of the token. The platform uses Ethereum blockchain standards ERC-721 and ERC-1155 to ensure that the users and NFT creators do generally own the items they trade. At the moment, OpenSea supports Ethereum and Polygon blockchain network. The platform charges 2.5% of transaction from the sellers, and no fee is charged from the buyers. This fee structure is amongst the lowest in the market. Recently, OpenSea has launched its mobile application that supports both Android and iOS devices. This would further help you to trade with your NFTs with the comfort of the smartphone. Next contender on our list is Solanart. Solanart is an NFT marketplace built on the Solana blockchain network that allows a user to buy or sell Solana-based NFTs. Solana is a blockchain network similar to Ethereum and has picked up a lot of steam because of NFT craze. Further to Ethereum gas fee being very expensive at the moment, Solana NFT ecosystem has grown tremendously. The average 7-day trading volume of Solana art is $89 million, which is commendable for such a new network and marketplace. The platform charges 3% transaction fee on each transaction. In addition to this, a creator of NFT may also charge a creator fee on the transaction. This is solely discretionary for the creator. The platform is currently in its beta version. The next platform on our list is Rarible. Rarible is the first community on NFT marketplace where you can create, buy and sell digital collectibles. The project is based in Moscow and was founded by Alex Salikov and Alexei Falin in early 2020. Users can access the marketplace to create and display their artwork. They can also collect the art pieces displayed by purchasing them. Rarible is a non-custodial marketplace and hence a user has complete custody of his assets. In addition to this, the platform also offers intellectual property rights to a user. The average 7 days trading volume is approximately $4 million. The fee charged by Rarible is 2.5% each from the buyer and from the seller. In addition to the gas fee charged from the seller from minting, the token Rarible has a DAO governance model where DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Under this model, all decisions are taken by the platform users. For this, Rari token, which is the in-house token of the platform, plays an important role. Rari token acts as a governance token for the Rarible platform, and it enables holders of Rari to vote for any platform upgrades and participate in curation and moderation. The rights that are enjoyed by the Rari token holders over the platform are as follows. Number 1, voting on the system upgrade. Number 2, moderating creators on the platform. And number 3, curating featured artwork. The next marketplace on our list is Superrare. Superrare is a digital art gallery that deals with unique single edition digital artworks. Each artwork is authentically created by an artist in the network and tokenized as a crypto collectible digital item that you can own and trade. Basis super rare collecting is inherently social. Since digital collectibles have a transparent record of ownership, they are perfect for a social environment. The social layer can make it easier to assess value and add another context around items in the marketplace. Super Rare was founded in 2017 by John Crane, Charles Crane, and Jonathan Perkins. The platform is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and a standard ERC-721 token is offered against all digital art. As the art is completely unique, the fee charged by Super Rare is also on a higher side. A transaction fee of 3% is charged from the buyers. However, the transaction fee for the sellers is a whopping 15%, which is inclusive of the gallery exhibition fee. Obviously, all these fees are in addition to the gas fee for minting the token on the platform. Further, on a secondary sale of digital art, Super Rare pays 10% of the transaction value as royalty to the original creator of the NFT. The average 7-day trading volume of the platform is $10 million. In comparison with the fit for all marketplaces like Opensea and Rarible. On Super Rare, artists are handpicked by the platform to ensure that the art created by them is truly unique and what the value they claim to be. To join the Super Rare network, artists needs to fill out an application and declare that all the art on the platform is original, owned by the artist digital and not listed or tokenized anywhere else on the internet. Further, Super Rare has just launched Super Rare 2.0, with which now the platform would be governed by a DAO, which is decentralized autonomous organization through an in-house token called Rare. For the fifth place on our list, we could not find any clear winner, so we decided to ask you, that is our viewers, to suggest the fifth best NFT model. So let us know your preferred marketplace and your experience with it. However, we have some suggestions as well. First option can be the Foundation Marketplace, which is another Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. Second option is Binance Marketplace, which is obviously a marketplace created by world's #1 crypto exchange, Binance. Third option is PancakeSwap Marketplace, which is a service provided by PancakeSwap, a decentralized crypto exchange on Binance Smart Chain. We would love to read your experience and suggestion to the best NFT marketplaces. I hope you found this video helpful. In case you have any feedback, then let us know in the comments section. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it as much as possible.